The load library failed error is specific to AMD machines and can occur due to several reasons. Now, if you have the same problem, here are some troubleshooting steps to fix it. Now, at times, the load library failed error can be a temporary glitch, so a forced shutdown is useful. Now, you have to make sure that you don't have any important and unsaved work, which may be lost after an abrupt, then press and hold the power button on your computer to force a system shutdown, and then press it again. Now, the next solution is to check and update your graphics driver on Windows. All you have to do is open Device Manager, select Display Adapters, right-click and select Update Driver. You can also perform a driver rollback to reinstall the old driver. Do it by opening Device Manager, open your driver, right-click, select Properties, choose the Driver tab, and select Rollback Driver. Additionally, uninstall and reinstall driver by right-clicking on the driver from the Device Manager, then reinstall the driver again from the GPU manufacturer's website. And those are the possible ways on how you can fix the following error code in your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.